Hello, InfoJammers. Most of us often think, how do some people make their great influences while others are just left thinking? So, here are the 15 things which all great influencers have them as their ever going habit, and they will show you exactly how you can stand apart from the rest. Welcome to InfoJam, the place where visionary leaders come to get inspired. First, they are visionary. All the great leaders we see have a long-sighted vision as for their goals. They are strategic planners and intelligent risk takers, along with having creativity and concrete focus as their key strengths. While living in the present, they have their attention on the future, driving them and their work towards its achievement. Having a childlike spirit, they always use their imagination to dream beyond the present world and bring that dream to reality. Second, they avoid time-killing habits. Effective use of time and mastery in the skill of time management helps them further to march towards their goal. They never waste their time watching television or surfing unnecessarily through the social sites. They aim to be productive and keep their focus on the work. With creating schedules and setting personal deadlines, they make sure that the work is done effectively and within the given time frame. They always focus on their vision and they come up making history. Third, they eat healthy. Healthy eating habits are one among their daily routine. Eating healthy keeps mind active and fresh, which helps them having consistency in their work. They understand that food makes up a body and hence, healthy intake is vital to keep oneself in peak of health, resulting in increased productivity and reduced chances of diseases. Fourth, they know that a person has infinite potential. An influencer knows he has enormous potential within to achieve anything he wants. Clarity along with focused work, the correct strategies applied, along with living the highest human level, where there is absolute clarity on the meaning of one's existence through good meditation practices, is where the person realizes his unlimited hidden potential. That's the reason why these people take care of their soul set through meditation and realizes the eternal potential within and achieve their goals. Fifth, they accept changes and challenge themselves. Influencers are always ready to accept changes. They do not stay sticked up with the old and pre-described ways to look at things, but are always keen on welcoming changes. As they know, every change is a stepstone of learning and achieving success, so they keep on challenging themselves against the odds for their goal achievement. They treat obstacles as steps to learn and nurture their growth and achieve success. Sixth, they get up early and have their daily tasks listed up. The most common habit seen among all the great influencers is that they own their mornings. They always wake up early and have a schedule starting early morning till the day ends, knowing that the secret to elevate one's life is to own their morning. Waking up early removes distractions and provides the most productive time for any work, since the body is at the highest of its energy. Also, they are habitual of listing down tasks in the early hours, which effectively and efficiently helps them with clarity of work and key focus fields for the whole day. Additional benefits of getting up early is that they transform into more confident and productive being, along with getting more hours for working. 7. They do not procrastinate. In literal sense, procrastination means to postpone something until tomorrow. In brief, it is about delaying a task, and this is what influencers always tend to avoid. This habit leads to last-minute task completion, not providing sufficient time and resources to be sustaining enough, and it functions like a loop, running again and again, which eventually gets into the habit and turns out to be the most devastating practice. Influencers do not procrastinate with their work and opportunities that come along. This is what that drives them capturing the best opportunities that comes along that most people end up losing by their habit of procrastination. They focus on capturing the best opportunities and making maximum use of it for growth, success, and prosperity. 8th, they are a good listener. It is said that great leaders are always great listeners. Thus, what they focus on is always improving their listening skills. They feel having a great listening skill is far more important than having a great communication skill. Listening habit gains them a lot. It provides them with new perspectives, insights, and good advices. This habit also inculcates patience and problem solving ability in them, along with improved understanding of the needs of others and requirement of the society. Ninth, they keep on growing themselves on daily basis and learn new skills. Their main focus always lies in growing themselves. Health set, heart set, mindset, and soul set are all the aspects they find a balance, and they always focus on keeping growing through them. Learning new skills to sharpen mind and enhancing knowledge is something that is on their primary lists of tasks. Their main focus is always to keep learning new skills, whether it would help them in their goals or not, but they definitely know that it would be a handful in enhancing their mind and its working. Tenth, they have a reading habit. Winners always have a reading habit within themselves. Thus, they always focus on reading good stuff, be it self-help books, biographies, articles, or any informative material. This enhances their knowledge with the author's experiences and also in turn improves their vocabulary. This is one of the many reasons why winners focuses on reading. Reading habits enhances their creativity, memory, mental framework, idea holding capacity, and is considered as a great exercise for the brain. By including this as a key practice into their schedule, they pave a source-filled, informative, and strong grounded path to their success. Eleventh, they are surrounded by people who inspire them to push forward. They always surround themselves with people who tend to inspire and push them forward. They know conversation with achievers is something which is needed moving forward, and that it's always good to surround them with people who continuously add up to their personal value. The most critical parameter is to receive honest comments, true advices, and timely motivation to march further. Such being acts as the base pillars, honest the support, and strongest the result. Twelfth, they know their priorities. Influencers set their priority according to what counts as meaningful and most important to them. They offer genuine time and resources to it. They always act in the way in which their priorities tell them to. With having their priorities listed up, they always know how much time they have to spend on a particular task. It further helps them in their time management and disciplined decisions with increased effectiveness of their tasks and better performances. Not only on day-to-day basis, but they also keep plan prioritized for longer stretch. Their plans for life, both personal and professional ones, is what they found is most essential to be made. Prioritizing things is the key for time management. They have a balance of health, wealth, and relationships. They know the three parameters of growth: health, wealth, and relationships, also known as the success blueprint. And all of their activities are always focused on growing through them on daily basis. Keeping a balance of it is necessary for personal growth and happiness. Influencers keep a balanced share on each of them. Knowing that health is the fuel for life, wealth is necessary for livelihood, and relationship is necessary for giving a meaning to all of it. Hence, it is the wheel of life. 14th, they consider excuses as failures. Influencers consider excuses as failures, bringing them deeper and deeper into what the rest 95% people usually do. This Whatever the situation is, no matter how big the obstacle is, they know constant changes have to be accepted and worked upon. They give us the path of learning and improvising ourselves and move forward with much more clarity and confidence. They know to stand apart, they must not focus on excuses but rather on areas they can learn and improve on, as excuses breeds no geniuses. Fifteenth, they lay emphasis on savings. They always lay emphasis on savings as they do not overspend on things which are of lesser importance in real life. Savings out of their overall earnings is an integral approach in their overall success and worth. Saving intelligently with good prior knowledge and having a balance of higher returns and lower risk is what they know is very essential for future growth and success. They know that if they spend on things which they actually do not need, soon they will have to sell things which they actually need. Learn how to live life with creativity, enthusiasm, fearlessness, and fulfillment. Life is a continuous discovery of one's infinite potential, with love binding it all together and the connection as the driving force. Live like the child with fearlessness. Live like the ocean with unlimited possibilities. Live like the flourishing bud with continuous growth. Live like the explorer discovering oneself. Live like love which never stops escalating. Live like the actual constant with infinite potential. Thus, these are the top 15 primary principles of an influencer. These are the secrets to their success and their wonderful life. We do hope these things would help you in quite a lot of ways. We always wish for your success. Keep your trust and we will keep delivering the best.